How to save Canva design as a PDF. What is up everybody? In today's tutorial, I'll show you guys how to easily download any Canva design as a PDF. The very first thing you want to do is go to web browser and search for canva.com. Once you are on the official site of Canva, make sure you are logged into your account, which will allow you to access all of your designs from here. So as you can see here on my home screen, I've got multiple designs already. So what I'm going to do is basically go ahead and click on this design over here. Let's say I want to download this as a PDF. I have this design. It's kind of a newsletter front page. So what I'm going to do is just tap on the share icon at the top right. Then you can find the download button over here. You can basically go ahead and click on download. By default, it's selected to PNG. It's suggested by Canva itself, but you can just click on the dropdown and find more file options. And I can just click on PDF standard. Now I can just click on download and the file is going to be saved as a PDF. Once your file is saved, you can just click on it to open it up. And as you can see, this right here is a PDF file. And that's basically it. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.